Caravan axles are significant components of any trailer or caravan, and they play a crucial role in ensuring that your travels are smooth, comfortable and safe. If not maintained properly, they can suffer from wear and tear, leading to the caravan breaking up and falling apart. Caravans with poor suspension will suffer structural damage, and you will be surprised at what happens. The bulkheads and cupboards will become unattached from the walls, and the floor-to-ceiling bulkheads will start pushing through the roof, causing water ingress. We have even seen the chassis rails crack, breaking everything inside. Our team of experts understands the importance of ensuring your caravan runs smoothly. We pride ourselves on delivering the best solutions for issues such as suspension failure, wear and tear, and damage. We use custom-designed equipment to extract and replace the old suspension rubbers. Over the years, European caravan manufacturers have altered the axle designs and discontinued some types, but we can rebuild most of them. Regardless of your caravan's make and model, you can trust us to provide the best solution for your axle needs. In addition to the rubber replacement, we provide an axle spring upgrade, which gives your suspension an additional lift. The spring upgrade increases road clearance, improving maneuverability in tight spots and the caravan's towing ability on the open road. The spring upgrade efficiently absorbs the violent forces when the wheels hit potholes and indentations in the road, preventing these forces from transmitting through the structure and fabric of the caravan interior. When we re-rubber the axle, we replace the old squashed rubbers with new round rubbers. The old flattened rubbers no longer have the rebound to return the suspension trailing arms to their original factory position. They no longer point downwards at 25 degrees as they should, resulting in a caravan that sits lower to the ground. Replacing the rubbers will give the suspension more travel and improve towing because the new rubber will absorb the road shock much better than the old ones. Over time, the new rubbers will also slowly get squashed again by the caravan's weight and road forces. When we fit a spring upgrade, we load part of the caravan weight onto the new springs, allowing the trailing arm to travel to its full potential. The road shock is shared between the springs and the rubbers. The rubbers no longer need to do all the work and act mainly as a bump stop, absorbing those extreme impacts only. The combination of the springs and the new rubber will lift the axle to an optimum height and keep it there for years to come. People will ask if they can carry more weight after the spring upgrade. The spring upgrade was never designed to increase the payload. When we rebuild the axle, the original chassis remains unchanged. The chassis was only ever designed for the payload specified by the manufacturer. You should never exceed the payload weight listed on the vehicle manufacturer's plate. The plate is usually found at the side of the entrance door. We understand that repairs can be costly, so we offer transparent communication. We will keep you informed of the process and keep you in the loop if unforeseen issues arise. If you think your caravan is low to the ground, or if towing becomes unpleasant, then it may be time to have your axle inspected. Contact us on 0942782247.